Hello everyone, this is a video about your quiz. Um, as you know, quizzes are just small homeworks, um, and these quizzes will be graded automatically by a program. So therefore, let's dive into the quiz itself, and then let me explain some other stuff. So, you're requested to write a C function that multiplies a given number with 10, but the restriction is that you cannot use the math library, nor you can use the multiplication operator as shown here. So, we cannot do 10 times x or any math related stuff that is, or any built-in capabilities of math library in C. But here we have two options. First of all is, of course, a simpler one. If you use loops, while loops, for loops, whatever, you will get 50 points. But if you don't even use loops, and without using loops, mathematic library, the multiplication operator, if you achieve this task with anything else than these, then you will get 100 points. These are not added up together. This is if you just use loops, but if you come up with a better solution, then you will get just 100 points. That's basically it. So this is the quiz. Of course, cheating is not allowed again. Don't copy paste your code, don't share your code with your classmates. And there will be two files available to you. One of them is the main function or main file, which you can use to test your function. There is a prototype of your function, multiply 10 in this case. Do not implement it here, use this main function. And there's also a multiply function here, which has the implementation itself. So the only thing that you are going to upload in a quiz is this file. I'm going to give you probably the files for all quizzes. So I'm going to provide you some templates. Here from the template you can just choose int multiply 10, and of course this is not a valid implementation. If the question would be this one, it would be too easy, so we are not allowed to do this. I just did it to be able to compile it, of course, because I have a return int, so I should return something. So an equivalent of this, but no math library, no multiplication operator. You might use for loops, so that's going to be one of the choices you can make, or there's even better solutions than for loops. So these are the two functions that will be available to you, and you should only submit this file, nothing else, just the implementation here, nothing else. So you should probably implement stuff here and just multiply that C, upload it to Nova, and you're good to go. Because my compiler will take each individual file of yours, compile it, test it for cases, and then just grade it. So therefore you should stick with the templates. You can use this file, not upload it, just use it for your own sake. For example, I've defined a equals 3, use the multiply 10 function, which has only a prototype defined here, and its implementation is in a separate file. And during the compilation, what you can do is, or I have given you this already, but if you're in another operating system, you might want to copy the command itself. Well, you're compiling both files and just put it in a main exe file. And once you have done that, it should work. And I'm only interested in multiply.c file that you're going to upload. And that's basically it. So, yeah, good luck.